You know what's annoying? Them Africans that kiss their teeth over every little thing. You can just be sitting on the next bus stop closed. The second, this bus is in diversion. The bus is waiting at a red light. Like, bro, why are you kissing yourself that much for, bro? Come on. Well, like, it's a driver changeover. You just hear them behind you, bro. It's so fucking annoying, man. It's so fucking annoying. Like, you're trying to breathe and all you're hearing behind you is... my son is misbehaving at school. This naughty boy. This silly boy. Like, bro, why do you need to kiss yourself that fucking much? You're having a bad day. I don't want to hear it. Like, not everyone needs to know that you're having a bad day. We don't fucking care. Who even created this thing of kissing your teeth? Who even normalized that? Because why is it a trend for every African to do? All you're hearing behind you is every 5 seconds. That's all you're fucking hearing behind you. Like, shut up. You, this fucking Nissan Leaf. Who's gonna fucking wanna buy that? Honestly, these people that buy all these electric cars, they're the wettest people on earth. Like, they seriously think they're doing something for the environment. They honestly think they're helping the whole world massively with that one. They think they're curing everyone's illnesses. They think they're saving the world from a whole explosion. Like, they honestly think they're doing the world so much justice. Like, they've been fooled so much by this government. Like, it's not like we're all forced to get electric vehicles. I mean, with this ULEZ shit. You kinda are. Okay? Wait, I assume people with electric vehicles, they don't have to pay for ULEZ, innit? That's why they're getting them. Okay, alright. Fair enough. Okay, I understand that. Is this the one with that exhaust leak? I think so, you know. Yeah, it is.